What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at the Himi RFID blocking wallet. This is my first RFID blocking wallet. Very curious to see if it worked. It looks really nice. It's a little bit larger than I expected. It says that it is vegetable tanned leather. It comes with 2 ID windows, and you'll see here that it has 8 card slots and 2 areas where you can actually put in cash. So it's rather large, like I said. Feels pretty good in my hands. I will have to test it out, and we're going to take it out to see if we can try a contact payment through the wallet. If it doesn't work, then we know that it actually is RFID blocking. So I have the new RFID wallet with a contactless credit card in here and a contactless system you can see right there. Let's see if it actually works. It's definitely not reading, that's for sure. I'm going to try the credit card without the wallet.
Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Yeah, so the wallet definitely works.